Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kent County in northern Oklahoma, Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, western Noble County in northern Oklahoma, southeastern Alfalfa County in northwestern Oklahoma, northeastern Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, Grant County in northern Oklahoma, northwestern Logan County in central Oklahoma, Garfield County in northern Oklahoma, eastern Major County in northwestern Oklahoma, until 9:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:06 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Waukeeta to 7 miles northeast of Nash to 3 miles southwest of Drummond to 3 miles south of Watonga, moving northeast at 70 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Enid, Ponca City, Blackwell, Perry, Watonga, Kingfisher, Tonkawa, Medford, Newkirk, Hennessy, Crescent, Wacomas, Okeen, Pond Creek, Garber, Lahoma, Covington, Billings, Ringwood, and Dover. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, northern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, southern Logan County in central Oklahoma, northeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:08 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over western Oklahoma City, or near Woodlawn Park, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northern Oklahoma City, Edmond, Guthrie, Yukon, Bethany, War Acres, The Village, Piedmont, Nichols Hills, Jones, Lakeston, Luther, Coyle, Arcadia, Meridian, Woodlawn Park, Seward, Richland, and Navina. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.